Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. This is a Donaldson Torit UMA 150. It's a 5 horsepower dust collector. We're operating on 460 volt. Has a shaker motor, you see right here, clean the bags. Large elevated stand. Explosion venting with a Membrex explosion membrane on the back. Relatively quiet. The motor cavity is all insulated. You can see just in there. Has a foam insulation on all the walls. Does include an airlock which mounts on the bottom of the collector here. Your dust laden air inlet. Grounding cable, of course. We are including the blast preventer that you see in the pictures. We've not tested it or don't know its status, but it was removed from operation. We have lots of dust collectors and process equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us.